Can you see yourself in the 2021 Nissan Versa? This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Who knew you could have so many upscale features in an efficient compact sedan? See for yourself when you take this well-appointed Versa out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.